Akin to the gleaming capital of the fictional land of Oz, the Emerald City of Australia to await your arrival for the stay of a lifetime at Western Sydney University Village Bankstown. Nestled in a bustling town boasting a rich cultural heritage and a thriving student community, your next home offers a selection of villas, shared apartments, and studios to choose from. Each unit comes thoughtfully furnished with a snug bed, desk, and a wardrobe to store all your gear. While a comfy lounge and games area lets you unwind and socialize with fellow residents after a draining day at the uni, the heating services ensure chill is kept at bay. That's not all. A communal kitchen lets you collectively hone your culinary skills, with the on-site laundry taking your stay to the zenith of comfort. But the cherry on top has to be the inclusion of all bills, making the stay super easy on your pocket. Moreover, Western Sydney University Bankstown is a 3-minute stroll away. And when you feel like satiating those taste buds, you're in luck, as the property is situated suitably close to lip-smacking and pretty affordable dining options. On weekends, head to Bankstown Golf Club or Milperra Golf Driving Range and take a shot or two at golfing. Plus, proximity to bus stops and train stations makes commuting easy breezy. So are you ready to make the Emerald City of Australia your next abode? Wait no more and head to emberstudent.com to secure your ideal stay at Western Sydney University Village Bankstown, where comfort and opulence blend like never before.